Now, this is how you can display clock on your Mac desktop. So as you can see, I'm on my desktop. I don't have much going on aside from a few folders in there. But what you can do is that on the left panel, we have like a widgets panel in here. So as you can see, I have two widgets like the calendar and stuff, but I can right click on the area or existing widgets, and I can click on edit the widgets. And the important part is that this panel shows up from the bottom, and I can scroll through the apps which have widgets available, and there's most definitely going to be the clock. And you have a few options in there. You have different styles and different sizes, but the first most commonly used one is the digital clock, which you can click on to make it show up on your desktop like this. And then now it is part of the home screen. But of course, you can add more of them, right? If you would want it to. That's how you can decide to have it and even choose like the world clock one. But once you're happy with it, you just click on it done, and you're gonna have the widgets on the desktop or home screen, right? And you can reorganize them or make some changes to them. You can delete the one you don't like and so on. And that's how you're going to end up having a nice clock on your desktop, on your Mac computer. Keep in mind that this feature is not going to work on every single Mac OS. So if you have like an older version of the software, just make sure you go to settings, general, and a software update so you can get the latest version available if there is one. And so you stay up to date. But that's going to be about it for me. I hope it helped. If you have some more thoughts or questions, let me know below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll see you later.